Hello, and welcome to the exciting and delightful world of TI-84 calculator programs. Come hither, and you're sure to be enchanted.
Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with TI-84 calculator programs. We're focused specifically on TI-84 plus CE and TI-84 plus CE Python calculators. If you're in Europe and have a TI-84 plus CE-T calculator, try the free program first to check compatibility. More on that later. Oh, and be assured that any site mentions will be included in the links in the description, along with a link to the blog post with this script on the mcstutoring.com site. So first, what you need physically: a TI-84 plus CE or TI-84 plus CE Python calculator. To save time, I'm going to be referring to these as TI-84 plus CE calculators, and sometimes just TI-84 calculators or just your calculator. Next, you'll need your charging cable. At the moment, it's a USB-A on one end and USB Mini on the other. The TI-EVO, the next calculator coming out from TI, promises a USB-C charging cable, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. For now, the charging cable that came with your calculator will suffice. Lastly, you'll need a desktop or laptop to house the .8xp files from online and transfer them to your calculator via TI Connect CE software. An important note: your Chromebook may not allow the download of .8xp files, so you must go with PCs or Macs for your desktop or laptop. Okay, assume you have the three physical components needed for programs. We go to the software, TI Connect CE. It's a free download from TI.com. If you already have TI Connect CE, please skip ahead to the next chapter. If not, please go to the link in the description. You will download the TI Connect CE software onto your computer so your computer can communicate with your calculator via your charging cable. This is what the process looks like on a Mac, and I bet it's quite similar on a PC. You might be skipping some steps just to make it fast, but you basically follow the procedure as seen. So click on the TI Connect CE icon on your desktop and give it a minute. This software, and indeed the entire process, will likely be a tad slower than what you're accustomed to. Knowing that there will be an extra moment here and there during the process will, I hope, alleviate much of the anxiety you feel following these steps. Most of the communication between your computer, calculator, and TI Connect CE is slow compared to most tech devices, but I believe they're well worth the wait. Okay, once you see the screen for TI Connect CE, you're halfway there. Now you'll turn your calculator on. I know it sounds silly, but this won't work if your calculator's off. Okay, so now your calculator's on, you see the TI Connect CE screen like this. Next, you connect your TI-84 plus CE via your charging cable. Check the 2 points of connection, the one at your computer and the one at your calculator. Assuming everything is proceeding according to plan, you should see an icon of your calculator on the TI Connect CE window in the upper left. Once you see that, you're almost there. Just a few more steps. By the way, this Getting Started guide is also the troubleshooting checklist. A digital checklist will be on the blog version of the script for you. That way you can check everything off to make sure everything will work as intended. Okay, 2 possible issues before downloading programs. First, your computer's not updated. Not kidding. This was the gremlin that drove a student near to madness. After updating her computer, everything was okay. Second possible issue is actually 2 issues. An old version of TI Connect CE is the first one. If you downloaded TI Connect CE anytime in 2025 or 2026, you're okay. The other possible issue is an outdated operating system, OS, for your calculator. You can check your calculator OS in the icon on TI Connect CE. For your programs to work, you want OS 5.4 or above. So if you have OS 5.3 or lower, update to the one currently offered by TI.com. Anything 5.4 or above will work for all these programs. Step 6. Assuming you followed steps 1 through 5. Go to mcstutoring.com and download your free program. If you follow these directions, it is indeed free. Free. No kidding. Reading what is posted on the site will save you from suffering and also from paying more. Simply follow the written instructions. Okay, back to the process. This is set up so you can try the free program, really 4 programs in one for free. This is the order, and you do have to fill out a little information, so we sped through that. But here's what happens when you order the free program, or any program for that matter. For the free program, or any discount code, just copy your discount code and then paste it on the discount code box. Then you'll have a link to the free program. Also, you will receive an email with links to your programs. Keep these emails. Think of them as backup security. Click on a link and download your .8xp file onto the home screen of your computer. A side note, when you purchase a bundle, such as a physics or chemistry bundle, you'll receive more than one program. We've named these the best we can. For example, for physics mechanics, Mech 1 is the first semester mechanics program. Mech 2 is the second semester physics mechanics program, delving into more advanced topics. Gas laws are gas laws. Thermo is thermodynamics. Waves covers wave mechanics, and Unit Con is a unit conversion program. Unit conversion is a part of most bundles, including SAT, physics, chemistry, algebra solvers, etc. So when you see multiple programs to download, now you know why. In any case, once you have a .8xp file on your desktop, you can click and drag your .8xp file from your desktop onto your calculator icon. It'll ask for your permission. After you've granted your permission, wait a moment. Then you'll see the program on your calculator. To check if this process has worked, press PRGM on your calculator. You might be asked if you want TI Basic or Python. Click TI Basic. Then you'll see a menu with all your programs populated. If so, you're good to go. Step 7a. By the way, Step 7a is the optional step. This is assuming you've done all the preceding steps and you like your free bundle. If not, you can stop now and never know the joys of having programs save you from the drudgery of monotonous calculations, save you time, and improve your score in your SAT or your grade in your physics, chemistry, or math classes. And if you truly enjoy math and are just as fast at math as a calculator, stop here. Perhaps you enjoy flexing your math prowess. You're free to do so and needn't continue further. But if you want to save time and improve your accuracy, continue. Step 7a, the optional step. Subscribe to the mcstutoring.com weekly-ish email to receive a 30% discount off your first purchase. You will also receive periodic discounts for your future purchases of TI-84 programs. Again, this step is not necessary. Step 7b, go to mcstutoring.com and buy the program or programs that will help you the most. FYI, the SAT program, newly revised, does follow the College Board's SAT regulations to the letter. It is SAT safe. As for the chemistry and physics programs, they are allowed on AP exams. This is according to the most recent College Board AP calculator policy stipulations as of fall 2025. Lastly, there are formula programs for calculus and pre-calculus. Please keep in mind that the current calc and pre-calc programs show formulas only. They're reference tools. This is in contrast to the chemistry and physics programs that are actual solvers. Not only do they show you the formulas per topic, they also let you select which variable you want to solve for and then solve for that one. By the way, you get the best bang for your buck with bundles. So please read the descriptions for the programs you're interested in. For example, the Chem bundle includes both the Chem 1 and Chem 2 programs. This is a huge cost savings. So please check the program descriptions so you find the program or program bundle that best fits your needs. Lastly, many of the programs are updated periodically, some more often than others. Once you buy the programs, you will be emailed about free updates automatically. Now I'm sounding like a Baptist preacher when I say one last thing for about the third time. You can ask for features to be added to the programs. Student input, your input, has driven the majority of updates. Please be patient and understanding. Some requests cannot be fulfilled due either to the limitations of my coding ability or the limitations of the TI-84 calculator itself. In closing, may you do well in your classes, and may all your TI-84 Plus CE programs help you in your academic endeavors. P.S. Step 8, Memory Problems. When you buy a program, you might have difficulty with your RAM, your available memory. New calculators come with about 150K of RAM. That's enough for about a dozen small programs or 2 to 3 big bundles. So when you download a program, please keep the .8xp file on your computer. This is a safety precaution. Think of your desktop or desktop folder as your library. Your library, your computer, can contain multitudes. Now think of your calculator as your book bag, your backpack. Your backpack has limited storage capacity. Same with your calculator. So choose wisely what you want to keep on your calculator. Here's the process of managing your calculator memory. There are two ways. We'll start with the fastest and easiest. Delete any unnecessary programs. Remember, that's why you still keep the files in your desktop. You still have them, just not in your calculator. Okay, now the more advanced method for overcoming memory limitations. Place some of your calculator programs into archive memory. Think of these as some sort of magical pouch inside your rucksack. The trick with archiving programs is that you have to archive and unarchive, depending on what your program needs are at the moment. For power users more familiar with TI calculators, this is a completely viable option. Please keep this in mind. A basic reset will delete all RAM files. A hard reset, such as an OS change or battery replacement, will erase the contents of your archive. Just keep that in mind. Okay, hope that covers all eventualities for you. As we discover new issues and new solutions, we'll update this video and blog post. So head over to mcstutoring.com and see what your calculator can do for you with the help of TI-84 calculator programs. Good luck.